Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Now, as you can see, we kind of have a new background going on. I was actually filming a video assignment for school right here, so I already had my lights set up, so I was like, you know what? Since my lights are already set up, I might as well film a YouTube video here. So that's why we kind of have a new background going on. I kind of like it. I feel like it feels a little bit more homey. If you're not a fan of it, please make sure to let me know. I feel like I'm very bad at picking out or having good backgrounds because me personally, backgrounds don't really matter to me. When I'm watching a YouTube video, I'm not paying attention to what's in their background. I'm like looking at the person or whatever the video is on. So that's why I don't really care about backgrounds, and I kind of make fun of those YouTubers that spend like hundreds and hundreds of dollars on these expensive like lighting and backdrops. I think it's ridiculous, but I know everyone doesn't think like me. I know there's probably some of you watching this that really care about the background, and if you do, that's okay. Just make sure to let me know. If you're not a fan of this background, I will definitely go to my old one. Of course, I'm not always going to be filming right here, but I just thought, what the heck, my lights are already set up, so I might as well film right here. So with that pointless information out of the way you guys probably didn't even care about, let's go ahead and get right on into this video. This video is going to be a Hot Topic shopping haul. Now, I didn't get too many things, but I was really excited to film this video for you guys because I did get some mystery keychains along with some other stuff that I got at Hot Topic that I am very excited to show you guys and open them up for you because I have had them with me for about a week, I would say, and I have not opened them yet because I really wanted to do a little mystery keychain unboxing with you guys. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right on into this video. So if you would like to see everything that I got at Hot Topic, then just keep on watching. So we are going to save the mystery keychain unboxing until the end, but I thought I would just go ahead and show you guys the packaging of it right now. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, I ended up getting 4 of these, and this is the Horror Properties Series 3 Figural Mystery Keychains, and you can kind of see the characters right there. They also have them on the back, but I have like a barcode. Let me see if, oh, I think all of them have barcodes on the back. Perfect, so you can't really see the names of the characters, but I can recognize some of them from the front. These isn't really gonna go with my mystery keychain collection because all my other mystery keychains are all Disney related, but I just thought these were so cute, and it kind of went along with the theme of this video of some of the shirts that I got that I will definitely be showing you guys in a second. Now, I'm not like a horror fanatic, I would say, but I do love horror movies, and I just liked all the characters that came in this mystery keychain, so that's why I really wanted to get these. And I also thought, because I got 4 of them, if I get any repeats, my sister is like obsessed with horror movies, so I think she would be very thrilled to get any of these keychains as well. So that's kind of what sold me in getting these keychains. So those are the keychains that I got. We will definitely open those at the end. But now let's go ahead and move on to the shirts that I got. I got 3 different shirts. 2 of them are like horror movie related shirts, and then 1 is from another TV show, my personal TV show. If you know what it is, drop it down in the comments down below before we get to that shirt. So the first horror movie shirt that I got is this one right here. It's just a black t-shirt, and it has the twins from the movie The Shining. And I pretty much got this shirt because it's kind of like an inside joke between like me, my sister, my mom, and my mom's husband. Yeah, it's just a little inside joke that we have. So like when I saw this, my sister actually told me about it, so I just had to get it. And I do love The Shining, so I mean, I just thought this shirt was so cute. I did end up getting it in a small. It is a little big on me, but like with a t-shirt, you can get away with having, you know, a little bit bigger of a shirt. So yeah, that is what this shirt looks like. The next shirt that I got is the reason that I made this purchase on Hot Topic. I saw this, I think it was on Twitter or Instagram, one of the two. I saw it and I was obsessed, and my sister saw it as well, and she was like, I got that shirt, and I was like, okay, if you got it, then I have to get it. I really shouldn't be spending money, but I had FOMO, okay, so I had to get it. And that is this shirt right here. Low-key, this gives me nightmares just looking at it, but this is the most awesome shirt. Like seriously, obviously it is from the movie The Exorcist. It says it right there, as well as, oh, on the bottom, just upside down. And then of course it has Linda Blair right there in all her glory. And then I really like the back of the shirt as well. It just has pretty much the cover of the movie, if you can kind of see that all right. Like you have like the priest standing out here and he's like looking up at the house. Like this shirt is just so cool, and I already wore it, so if you see like hair and fuzzies all over it, that's why. But like I'm just obsessed with this shirt. Like this is just the most awesome shirt. Like I swear, like I would honestly give anything to like have my dad see this shirt and like just to see his reaction, because it's kind of a funny story. The first time that I ever saw The Exorcist, I was very young. I want to say I was around maybe like 4 or 5 years old, and it's kind of funny because the reason why I watched it so young is because my dad had the movie, and anytime he wanted to watch it, he would always like send me and my sister out of the room, because obviously it's not really a great movie for a 4 and 5-year-old. So yeah, because my dad had that movie and he would always like, you know, kick us out of the room if he wanted to watch it, me and my sister just badgered him on a daily basis that we wanted to watch this movie. And we bugged him so much about it, where he finally just got to the point like, oh, you guys want to watch it? Okay, let's go ahead and watch it. And he made us sit down and watch the entire movie. And I was scarred. That, I mean, to me, it's still the scariest movie ever made. And I literally had nightmares every single night for probably, I think, 13 years. So yeah, that's kind of my funny little story time. So that's why, like, when I saw this shirt, like, I just wanted to show my dad so bad and to get his reaction, because I feel like he would love the shirt. So that's the second shirt that I got, and the third and final shirt that I got was actually a separate order that I made at Hot Topic. I got the 2 shirts that I showed you guys, as well as the mystery keychains, and you know, I checked out, purchased them, whatever, and I was just kind of sitting there and I was starting to think about my favorite TV show and how I've never seen clothing for it. So I decided to check, I checked Amazon. And then I just had the idea, I was like, you know what, since I just made a purchase at Hot Topic, I'm just gonna search it at Hot Topic and see if they have anything. And of course they did, and I was so upset that I was like almost in tears, you guys, because I am obsessed with this TV show, and I was so upset that I didn't check that they had like clothing for this TV show before I made my purchase. And I was so upset, and I was like, you know what, screw it, I'm just gonna make a separate order. And that's exactly what I did. And it is this shirt right here. I am obsessed. Like, if I could wear this shirt every single day, I would. I mean, I could do that, but like, you know what I mean. So as you can see, this is the Golden Girls t-shirt, and it has all the girls right there. As you can see, the t-shirt itself is just all gray, and then the Golden Girls is just in yellow. I absolutely love this shirt. Now, my only complaint about it is I did get this shirt in a small. Side note, the Exorcist shirt I also got in a small. But anyways, so yeah, this shirt I got in a small, and I am so happy that I did, because it's a little tight on me. When I first pulled it out of the packaging and I tried it on, and I was kind of like, ugh, like I can't breathe, like it was so tight. But I decided to keep it anyways because I hate returning things. And I feel like now that I've had it a little bit, and I did wear it afterwards, I did wear it for an entire day, and I ended up being comfortable for how tight it is. So I mean, I guess that's a good thing. I can get away with it, but yeah, it's very small, and I don't understand why, especially for being a small, because usually smalls are like, I mean, I guess a small for me is like a good size because it's not too loose, not too tight. But like, I almost got this in an X small, and like, can you imagine if I did? I probably wouldn't have been able to get it on. And I'm a pretty petite person, so like the fact that a small is like so tight on me is like, I don't know, yeah, I don't know why it's so tight, but I mean, it is. So keep that in mind if you yourself want this shirt. I don't know if it's still gonna be on Hot Topic, but if it is, that's just something to keep in mind. But I still love it. I'm still gonna wear it, and even wearing it throughout the day, it's still comfortable for how tight it is. All right, so those are the 3 shirts that I got from Hot Topic. Now let's go ahead and open our mystery keychains. I am so excited to open these. Like, I'm kind of nervous because like, even though I said I would be okay with repeats because I could always give them to my sister, obviously I don't want them all to be the same thing. Okay, so because there's a barcode on the back of the packaging, I'm just going to try and name all of these characters off. I'm pretty sure I can because I recognize all of them, but yeah, I just don't want to get their names wrong. So if I do, I apologize. So let's start from up here and then we'll just work our way this way. This one right here is Jason Voorhees, obviously in a different mask. And this one right here is one of the twins from The Shining. That would actually be a perfect one to go with my shirt. This one right here is, he's from It, the little kid. Is it Billy? I think his name is Billy. And you can see he has like a little yellow jacket. Right here we have Annabelle the doll, which is from the movie Annabelle as well as from The Conjuring. Right here we have Pennywise the clown from It. Right here we have Beetlejuice, which I absolutely love this one. I think that one is so cute. This one we have Jack Nicholson from The Shining. Why can I not remember his name? I cannot remember his name. See, this is why that you shouldn't cover up the characters' names because now I'm like totally drawing a blank. And then we have Freddy Krueger, which is so cool. And then of course we have Regan or Linda Blair from The Exorcist. Now those are all of the characters that come in this keychain set. They also do have two mysteries. I always say mysteries, but they're called exclusive A and exclusive B. And it's these two down there. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see them, but that's just kind of what the outlining of those look like. I can't really recognize them. I think exclusive A kind of looks like Pennywise. Like exclusive A literally has the same exact outlining as Pennywise the clown, so I don't know, maybe he's in a different color or like an exclusive color. I don't really know, but exclusive B I can't recognize at all. The top ones that I really want in this pack, I definitely want Regan from The Exorcist. Let's see, I definitely want Beetlejuice. And yeah, I feel like those are probably the top two that I really want from these packs. Of course, I would love to get the Jack Nicholson one from The Shining as well as the twin from The Shining. If I got those two, that would be awesome because it's kind of like a set. They go together. So yeah, those are kind of the ones that I want. So let's just go ahead and open them up. I'm gonna open up this one first because it's already in my hand. Oh, I get so nervous opening these things. Yes! I got Linda Blair or Regan from The Exorcist. Oh my god, this never happens. I never get the one that I really want, and look at that. The first one I open, it's the one that I want. I am so happy. Of course, now I have like really high expectations for all the other ones. If it's gonna work out that way, who knows, but like, I can't believe that. Like, I am mind blown. That was the top one that I wanted, and I actually got it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll set her to the side and let's go ahead and open another one. Oh, yay! Okay, this one is Pennywise, as you can see. Come on, lighting. I feel like these keychains are so light in color, like my lights are kind of blowing them out. Oh my gosh, I know he wasn't in like my top two or top four technically, but I mean, like I said, I liked all the characters on this thing, so I would have been happy with any one of them, so that's very cool. I definitely like Pennywise. And like I said, exclusive A kind of looks like the outline of Pennywise, but I wouldn't say, this isn't exclusive A because he looks just like the Pennywise on the packaging. See, I didn't get an exclusive one, but it's not a repeat, so I'll take it. All right, let's go ahead and open the third one. Oh, okay, we got a repeat, but honestly, low-key, I was hoping for this repeat. I got another Regan, Linda Blair from The Exorcist. Now, I say I was low-key wanting a repeat because I know my sister would love this keychain, and I'm actually going over to her house today, so I kind of wanted a repeat of her so I could like surprise her with this. So I'll take it, okay? I definitely don't want the last one to be another repeat, but I will take a repeat of The Exorcist. All right, fourth and final mystery keychain. Let's hope for not another repeat. And let's hope for Beetlejuice. Ooh, yay! She's a little dirty, but I got one of the twins from The Shining. Oh my god, this is so cool. Obviously, I didn't get a set, but I think like her and the Exorcist will go like perfectly together because they're both, you know, like scary characters in my opinion. When I was younger, like the twins from The Shining gave me full-on nightmares, along with the old lady like in the tub bathroom part of the movie. If you've seen The Shining and you know what old lady in the bathroom I'm talking about, give this video a thumbs up. Oh my gosh, and I love how the two shirts that I got, the two horror movie shirts that I got, are the two keychains that I got. Like that goes perfectly together. So yes, those are the 4 mystery keychains that I got from the Horror Properties Series 3 collection. And that is everything that is going to be in this Hot Topic shopping haul. So that is it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Make sure to drop down in the comments down below. Tell me what your favorite t-shirt was, what your favorite keychain was, or just tell me what your favorite horror movie is. If you're someone that's really into horror movies, I would love to hear from all of you guys, so definitely make sure to leave your comments down below. And yeah, that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.